Hey there, everybody. I just came over here to... Oh, there he is. Came over here to the barn to hook up to the square baler, and I just happened to see the neighbor out baling hay in his Alice Charmer, so I figured I'd get a short video of it. But, of course, I won't video for him for very long, because at least you can't really see him, so... But if I can hold the camera still. I can't zoom in. That's about as far as I can zoom in. Looks like he's just chugging right along. Tell you what, this camera can really zoom up. But no, I just got done hooking up to the square baler. I'm going to just take it over to the house and kind of make sure we kind of get some things on it greased up and stuff. But I just figured I'd show you that. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.